that's 35 grams.
The popcorn, once we pop it, will have less of mass, and because it's taking away the weight from it and popping it, making it lighter.
I think it will be the same because just because it expands, it doesn't mean all that wasn't inside.
It'll stay the same when we pop the popcorn because it's still the same. It's still the same kernel. It's just changed shape.
Fun to make as it is to eat.
You smell that?
The total of that is 190.
Because the cup is a lot more mass than the popcorn actually is.
Corn.
It's in the back.
Volume is the amount of space that is like taken up. The popcorn is taking up space in the bag.
It shouldn't change because it's still the same thing. I mean, it's just kind of like evolved.
What I noticed is that it's the same amount of mass, but the bag added 1 more gram.
No, you can't do
Okay, this is like crazy. Oh my god, one passed it out! One passed it out.
There is matter coming out because there's
See, the delicious
How do we know there's the same kind of popcorn in there?
At first, it was just kind of kernels, and then it just like got like that popped into the popcorn. But they didn't like change any mass.
No, wrong.
That looks like
That was perfect. It just went up. Barely went up.
We just found out that the magnetic rock is 22 grams.